Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss the relation between solubility and solubility product. The solubility is the molar concentration of solution in its saturated state, and solubility product is the product of concentration of ions of solution in its saturated state. Let us consider the reaction of the type AXBY. It is a salt. Under saturated state, it dissociates to give X number of A Y negative ion plus Y number of B X positive ion. Let the solubility of AXBY. Let the solubility of AXBY is S mole per dm cube or mole per liter. Therefore, the concentration of AY negative ion is equals to X into S, because the concentration of AY negative ion is S. X number of ions are there, so total concentration are X into S, and the concentration of B X positive ion is Y into S. Let it is equation number 1. By the definition, the solubility product by definition, the solubility product for the reaction is given by Ksp is equals to concentration of A to the power Y negative ion, that means A Y negative ion to the power X into Y B positive X positive ion to the power Y. Let it is equation number 2. Substituting the value of concentration of A Y negative ion and concentration of B X positive ion. So what we get, Ksp is equals to, that is solubility product is equals to S into S, X into S to the power X, Y into S to the power Y. Solving these, which what we get, X to the power X into S to the power X, Y to the power Y into S to the power Y. Therefore, solubility product Ksp is equals to X to the power X into Y to the power Y into S to the power X plus Y. So this is the relation between solubility product and solubility for the salt of the type AXBY, where the X is the stoichiometric coefficient of A and Y is the stoichiometric coefficient of B in balanced chemical reaction. Whereas for the salt of type AB or BA, which dissociate to give B positive ion plus Y plus A negative ion. Again, let solubility is equals to S mole per dm cube. Therefore, concentration of B positive ion is equals to concentration of A negative ion. Concentration of B positive ion is equals to concentration of A negative ion is equals to S mole per dm cube. Very simple. By definition, Ksp is equals to concentration of B positive ion. Now the stoichiometric coefficient of B positive is 1, so to the power 1, into concentration of A negative ion. The stoichiometric coefficient of A is 1, so to the power 1. Therefore Ksp is equals to S into S. Ksp is equals to S square. Therefore solubility is equals to root of solubility product. This is for the salt of the type Ba. It is the relation between solubility and solubility product, where X and Y are the coefficient of A and B respectively in balanced chemical reaction. And for the salt of the type Ba, it is S is equals to root of Ksp. Okay, thank you very much.